Freedom Lovers, Love and Chuck here. Today I'm going to be unboxing and going over a Pony drill press vise. I have a 5-inch bench vise that I've had for a few years now, and I like it very much. So when I needed to get a vise for my drill press, I looked for Pony, and supposedly they're out of business, but you can still find a lot of their stuff on Amazon and eBay. So if you're still looking for that kind of stuff, they are available and they're good quality. Plus it matches my drill press, so that's a bonus too, even though they're different brands. Alright, let's open it up and see what we got in here. It's like Staples. That's not good. I hate the Staples. So we'll just caveman it open then. Voila! I don't think there's going to be much surprises here. It does only come with bolts for mounting, but I wasn't exactly expecting them, so would have been a nice surprise. That would have been about the only thing that would have been a nice surprise. Definitely looks like you're going to want to oil them. You're going to want to grease these too when you get something new, even a bench vise, because those you don't see if you grease it good when you first get it. It'll run a lot smoother and go a lot longer before it needs to be rebuilt. I really wish this thing would mount to the drill plate here, but I don't think that's how it's supposed to go, and the holes don't line up. I could get 2 bolts in, but I could make that work, so, and I may end up doing that, but I'm gonna mount it up here to the base, and I don't know if you can mount it either way, but I think generally they mount like this, and no, maybe not. The holes don't quite line up there. If I put one all the way into where I'm mounting, the other one's completely covered up, and they're about down the middle on each side. So it must go. No, doesn't want to go that way either. If I had a little U-shape cut in there. Well, either way, the best I'm going to be able to do is mount 2 bolts up, so I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong, or these aren't standard measurements on one of the two. I assumed there was a standard size pattern for these, but I guess that's what I get for assuming. Either that or one of these is off, and if one was off, I'd be inclined to think it was the Wen. The Pony's made in the USA. Wen is made in somewhere not called USA. The Wen is made in China. I can try and see if I can figure out a different mounting method for this. I'd actually like to find something that would lift it up a little higher and allow room for adjustment. That way I wouldn't have to worry about not having enough length there on the drill. Or I'll have to get a different drill vise with the pattern that'll match up with at least the base, preferably this. So I guess my search continues. I'll try and keep you updated if I find anything out. If you have any questions that I didn't answer in this video, or you have just some comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching.
Schniedelwutz.
Schniedelwutz.
Schniedelwutz.